Cause to go to my hood, they know my body is good. $2 million to party in Saudi Arabia clubs. Popping them things to go up and smoking Los Angeles bud. These bitches biting like Joe. Shout out to Kimla though. I'm the one who.
So Mr. was supposed to go running, but instead his club not here. So
what are you doing quotations? This is a real one club.
Whatever, it don't even matter. I was supposed to go walking by myself, and he was supposed to be running. Okay.
Pausing workout.
But instead, oh y'all heard that? Instead, he over here with me, walking. He could have ran. He could have took off. It's enough walking space trail stuff for me to walk.
I could still run and come back to you. I'm just walking right now.
Okay, so that's what we're doing. Don't tell me hush. So I don't even know where the hell I am. I just know I'm somewhere with trees, leaves, and water.
Quite a real walk. Lone Star Brewery, Roosevelt Park, San Antonio Mission. That's
where we at. So that's what I'm doing. You want to see the scenery? There's a river down there somewhere.
Take a walk. Get outside. You want to go down there?
I guess.
Take a walk.
So let's go, y'all.
Pausing workout. Resuming workout. Pausing workout.
So I crossed the little, whatever that is. And I made it without falling. Okay. That's all that matters. I made it without falling. He ain't shit. Come on, y'all. But yeah, so my little legs are taking me far today. So let's get it.
Okay, but we're going under this bridge. I know.
You see how it gets louder?
Yeah.
Get it louder.
Louder. You'll be all right. Right through there. Good.
Just want you to know your big ass is on your home. So we went to the grocery store. And from the looks of it, yes, we went to the surplus store. I forgot to take out with us. We went to the grocery store. It's okay though. So now we gotta unpack all of this. And normally it would be easy. I just call the kids, tell them to come in, grab everything, but they still at school. So now I gotta help. So let me get on.
Trust in me. I can, you said I can trust in